Over the decade, Artisent has participated in many prominent events, both locally and overseas, exhibitions, massage training courses on spa at home, recreational activities for relaxation, customer services for both pre- and post-sales. As a result, we are well known by the public. At Artisent, we are convicted to the importance of the sequence in looking after one's health and beauty. We promote the knowledge and understanding of science of health and beauty through the use of natural products.